Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In this video we will unbox and review the Glamitup Box April 2019 edition. It has a total of 5 products including a product from Rimmel London. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package has reached me. Once we open, these are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product here is this Deep Clean Lang Lang mask. It's by Glamitup, of course, and it says it will deeply clean and brighten your face. The price individually is $190 for 50 grams, and here are the ingredients mentioned as well: Lang Lang flower extract, oats, adzuki beans, hemp seed, green calamine and bentonite clay. So good ingredients. This is how it looks. It has a light pinkish beige color. Because of bentonite clay, it's definitely gonna be a pore cleansing mask. Plus it has a brightening effects as per the claims. Then we have a face wash here. It's the Fresh Water Whipping Face Cleanser. Fresh, clean and bright. It has peppermint, bergamot, lemon, red cabbage and veg glycerin. And this is how the color looks. A beautiful bright blue color. I really like the color. And I can already see it's lathering up just as it is, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be quite lathering. Shelf life is 6 months and 50 ml product. Price is $180 individually. We also have a micellar water from Glamitup, and it says green tea steam distillation, removes dirt and oil, oily acne prone skin. And here it says steam distillation green tea, witch hazel, glycerin, camellia and calendula. So really good ingredients. It has a very light greenish tint to it, so definitely gonna try this. And finally we have this calendula and lavender night cream cum overnight repair mask for antibacterial, extreme skin rashes and extreme skin irritation for all skin types. It has calendula extract, calendula flower, lavender extract, aloe gel, willow bark extract and neem. So this is how it looks. It's comparatively smaller than these 2 bottles. So these are the 4 skincare products from Glamitup. And then we have this Rimmel London product, which is in makeup section. So this is the Rimmel Rita Ora 8 ml nail paint in the shade 270 Sweet Retro. So it is a steel pack in itself. So this is how the beautiful shade looks like. It's a very light baby pink color. And the cost of this is 240 rupees. It's a very girly color that every girl would like, and it has a good floral pattern on it. Like the packaging is good. Personally, I don't like very light pink colors, but I can make some nail art with it. So it's a good brand, so I'm definitely happy with it. So let me zoom in slightly. So these are all the products we have. I have tried Glamitup products, their skincare range before, and most of them has suited me very well. So although I have not used these particular products before, I'm hopeful that they will be very good in quality and they will suit my skin as well. So this is the introduction box. So they don't have customization for this month, but the skincare will be customized from the next month onwards. The shelf life of all liquid skincare, all of these 3 are 6 months, and for powder skincare is for 1 year. And every month you will be receiving 1 makeup from either Rimmel London or Wet n Wild, which are both very good brands. So the cost of this box is $479 including shipping, which is not super affordable, but it's still in the budget price range. If you have used Glamitup products before and they have suited you well and you like this box, then definitely go ahead and order. All the details are mentioned in the description box below. Or if you're someone who wants to try these handmade, completely natural, preservative free, organic products, then this is definitely a good place to start, because you have very basic things like mask, skincare, a night lotion and micellar water. So something that you can try, and then if you like it, you can go ahead and order more. Honestly, I don't think it's an awesome deal for the price it is offered at. These are really good products, but then I wish the pricing would have been more affordable for this box in particular. So that's all for my honest review and today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.